Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Guys from UBS, who are breaking news and are also a Ripple partner, I really didn't anticipate seeing this today. I investigated this because of this. Even though they are a Ripple partner, this is unrelated to any cooperation or international payment advance of any type. Something to keep in mind when they caution their investors about a possible fall in the value of the US dollar. Consequently, their genuine message to their investors is to spread their bets. The world-renowned financial company UBS issued a thorough advice release on Monday, warning investors of the possibility of the US dollar continuing its decline. According to UBS's Chief Investment Officer, CIO, the dollar could face medium-term pressure from a confluence of factors, including a shrinking gap between interest rates and growing worries about the US budget deficit. After a 5% decline since June, these factors could cause the dollar, which UBS says is already weakening, to fall even more. Therefore, the dollar index, or DXY, has fallen. Allow me to bring it up for you all very briefly. Here we have the hourly. Take a look at the daily chart for a better understanding. Despite a slight uptick in the past few days, we have observed a general downward trend since the peak of money printing in let's call it mid-2022, and now we are witnessing a further decline, correct? Therefore, what they are now claiming is that I should go down here. Unsurprisingly, they are discussing the uncertainty surrounding the elections, currency hedging, futures, swaps, and options for hedge share classes are some of the tactics proposed to lessen the blow of any more depreciation. In response, they state in the paragraph above that UBS suggests that investors holding large amounts of assets denominated in US dollars reconsider their holdings. The article continues with various suggestions, such as how gold might be a good diversifier. UBS also praised the Swiss franc as a strong currency, and the Investing 101 section. This is driven by the Swiss National Bank's cautious attitude to rate decreases in light of current geopolitical concerns, which, unless you're a currency investor, might be confusing to you. They are advising you, guys, to get out of the US dollar. According to Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, 2 more rate decreases are in the works. Now that inflation has leveled out, there will be 2 further cuts this year. However, international marketplaces are just oblivious to it. They continue to worry that the US dollar is in danger. Therefore, spread your bets. To be honest, I have no idea how this will play out in other regions of the US market. But listen up, this is interesting. The Ministry of Finance in Thailand has granted a license to Kasikorn Bank, officially known as K-Bank, so that it can list XRP and offer digital asset custody through the Orbix custodian brand. Take a look at this. Get it? Kasikorn Bank sells XRP. A safe and easy option to get into cryptocurrency is to buy XRP on the largest exchange with Kasikorn Bank. That means they are already linked to the Mexican market. Following this detailed tutorial, you will be able to buy XRP with your Kasikorn Bank account. As a result, they are now offering Orbix as a custodian for a variety of digital assets. Along with Kaxi, Chad is commenting down here. Long ago, Korn Bank was the pioneer in launching XRP regulated digital asset custody in Thailand. Using the Orbix custodian bank, they plan to offer digital asset custody. With the license in hand, it will offer its services to digital asset enterprises in Thailand, while being overseen by the SEC. Apologies for the duplicate post. Chad was referring to this as the supporting article. The bank is now preparing its systems for launch in early 2025. An intriguing new development is that Thai Bank, K-Bank, popularly known as Kasikorn Bank, now offers XRP on its platform. You can rest assured that everything is in order to trade in Thailand. Now, Stephanie Star people, I just wanted to thank Chad Steingraber for publishing it. Remember that relationship we had with Meld Gold Ripple, a few months ago? Did Meld Gold team up with Ripple to introduce XRP coins backed by gold and silver? It had been there since June. In case you forgot, Meld Gold and Ripple are a top US fintech business. They've teamed up to introduce 2 new stable coins on the XRP ledger. Each token will stand for 1 gram of gold or silver, and will be backed by the corresponding precious metals. Guys, you can totally trade them in for gold bullion. So, the tokenization of gold and silver, 2 of the most popular precious metals, is happening right now. As a result of this change, the XRP ledger is likely to see the issuance of additional gold-backed stable coins. As previously announced in June, the XRPL will receive fungible gold and silver assets through Meld Gold's initial integration in the 3rd quarter of 2024. They did, in fact, validate their first transaction on mainnet. Therefore the answer is yes, everyone. With respect to the XRP ledger and the tokenization of gold, it did go through on September 29th, at the close of the 3rd quarter of 2024. Plus additional. Extend the launch till October. Indeed, Stephanie Starr has brought us this momentous announcement, the tokenization of precious metals, including gold and silver, on the XRP ledger using Merge Gold. We will have to reconsider fiat currency and the idea of tokenizing precious metals if and when this financial reset occurs. Additionally, I have always advocated for the preservation of precious metals such as gold and silver. Guys, we have additional news with our Ripple partner Rackbank, and I want to thank Stephanie Starr for bringing it to our attention. A provider of payment solutions located in the Middle East, Magnotti, has recently joined forces with them. In order to launch a merchant financing platform, Magnotti and Rackbank have reached a strategic alliance. With the help of Rackbank's real-time point-of-sale transaction data transformed into decision metrics for enhanced underwriting judgments, Magnotti will provide small and medium-sized businesses with access to credit facilities. Magnotti and Rackbank plan to help small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, with their financial needs, but it sounds hard, demands and preferences more efficiently. To accomplish this, they are utilizing blockchain technology. By working together, the 2 groups hope to streamline the loan application process for merchants using Magnate's payment technology and optimize cash flow management by having repayments removed from daily payouts. Thus, it's all quite intriguing. I believe that more and more developments are occurring here as a result of banks and other financial institutions collaborating with other businesses to build various apps. Additionally, it seems like the adoption of blockchain technology for these many financial applications is more of a procedural matter. The smart contracts are here, then. It is for this reason that I believe Ripple has been exerting significant effort to develop a smart contract solution for the XRP ledger. Also, there is a solid justification for understanding that the XRPL can communicate with other formats. I mean, isn't this it? For these kinds of transactions and procedures to go through smoothly, interoperability is key. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.